and you will respawn in Egypt.
I want to go to Rome. No one will notice that I secretly changed the direction. Rome, here I come.
Did you just cheat? Go down to Egypt, dude.
What?
You gotta change the ads, right? There we go. Okay, that's something. That's a little better.
Right pocket got blues in it. Love sitting on packs to me. I know what to do with it. $1,000 shoes. I'm walking on a damn house. He ain't running up a bag. He running it down mouth. I'm Mr. Swagger dope. Mr. Beat the road. 2,000 on a coat. Stepping on a dope. I'm Mr. Ride for it. I'm Mr. Ain't going. He Mr. Pump Faker. I'm Mr. Pot Scraper. The way I'm driving, I just might wreck or something. Why would I chase a beach? I can go chase a check or something.
Next round.
Talk about on money. Nigga, burn up, nigga. Fucking with it, yeah, I got me turned up, nigga. Nigga too slippery. Walk in the club and make a mess. They thought a nigga was sweating. All this water on my chest. Yeah, oh, hell, nigga. I ain't settling for less. I ain't DJ Khaled, baby. But you know we the best. Nigga, I ain't fucking on.
And they're going crazy. Yeah, those are comp wheels. This is definitely not Jamil wheels. But this guy right here, S58 Heat. This boy right here in the X3M. Oh yeah, he be pushing that jump. He be pushing that joker, boy. Oh Lord Jesus. Come here, buddy. Come on. I don't want you to get hit. Bunch of cars. It's way bigger than last time's outcome.
That's a plate, right?
Huh?
There's a plate.
A plat? I don't know. I know it's a S, but I don't know if it's a plat or not. But it must be because he's trying to keep up. I know. I tell you, this car is insanely. Yeah, it is a plat. This thing is crazy. It's over. It's over.
You didn't give her that one off.
That thing sounded crazy. And to think that's a Nismo. Noah Legends out here. Back on the channel. That is fucking crazy.
What's up, brother?
What up, brother? It's been a minute since I seen you, bro.
bro. My lower ever got new wheels since you seen me, bro.
Oh, snap. Dang, boy. Dang, watch that came on. Piece that came on. Where everybody at?
Bro, I ain't gonna lie, Jamil didn't pull out.
I texted him. I told him, I was like, bro, what are you doing today?
It's deep, bro.
But see, before I used to come, it wasn't that deep.
I just think it's
Like now, it's like crazy.
I just think it's crazy.
Like I've never seen it this deep before. Like seriously. Let me get out this guy's way. Let's go this way. I do not want to be in his way. My bad, bro. It looks good though, brother.
Appreciate it, bro.
Yeah, it looks good. My fault, brother. Come on, buddy.
Yeah, slammed enough.
He said, it's slammed enough, brother.
Huh?
It's slammed enough. I don't think you're going no lower than that, son.
Maybe a little bit more.
A little bit? Yeah. Hold on, let me see. Well, yeah, you got a little bit. Is it on bags or is it static?
It's static, bro.
It's static? Golly, heck no. Nah, I'd be scared, bro, driving that Joker. Are you gonna whip it, bro? Gonna work that Accord, bro? Super low, son. one right here. It's done super low. All right, guys, we just pulled up. Yeah, that Mishimoto radiator. It was like Ben's car, honestly, with all the carbon inside of it. It's nice though. The joke is super clean. The yellow is